This is the Budget and Policy Center's third annual conference.
Well, it's my first time. I want to learn more about the budget.
The conference is a really great opportunity for us to network with our partners and prepare ourselves for what's coming during the next legislative session and really learn from each other.
I came because I feel like this is a really useful and informative conference that gets into a lot of detail that you don't just generally see.
Today, we are joined by 300 advocates, students, lawmakers, local and national policy experts, and elected officials.
They have communities that they care about. How can we support them?
This is a conference that is fundamentally about reshaping Washington State to be consistent with the values and the priorities that we know all Washingtonians share.
I see this as an opportunity to really start a really much stronger conversation about race and class and what we can do about it, including right here in Seattle. So that's why I'm here.
I'm very interested in the afternoon revenue part of the conference.
The growth in the economy is the investment income of the wealthy.
It's really important to understand the state budget and how it trickles down to the local level as well.
We want a state that has healthy people and environment, education and opportunity for everybody, economic security, and good jobs for economic growth going forward.
From a conservative perspective, we spent a lot of money last year, and we had to do some pretty challenging things to do it.
I went to the mental health boarding panel, which was something I didn't know anything about.
We need to do something about it, and now is the time for us to be able to join forces.
Housing is mental health care.
I think a highlight was the discussion around racial inequality and disparities.
I think in terms of people with power and privilege, it's understanding your individual biases. And that is the place that's uncomfortable.
This conference is about bringing different constituencies to come together and talk about how we can build a state together.
My organization is working on how we move folks out of poverty. We're just here to be part of the conversation.
For the majority of workers and their families out there, the recession is not over.
Climate change is just one element of the dangers of carbon pollution.
I'm passionate about the equity in education, making sure that it's truly available to every and each child.
We have so much that we need to do, and we need to be connecting the dots more.
What is our role and responsibility in this room? Because we do have an opportunity.
I know we have some really pressing problems that we have to solve today, but we have to also think long-term strategy.
The work of this organization is to use the tool of the state budget to build broad and shared prosperity.
It's better to have a vision for our state and who we can be.
Thank you. Thank you for being engaged citizens that are here trying to make a difference for your state and your community and engaging in these important public conversations.
It definitely exceeded my expectations. It just got me really excited about session and feeling pretty optimistic even though we have a lot of challenges that we're facing.